Aww. Look what I'm trying over there. Aww. This is sweet, precious, and cute. This donut over there. Oh, Cassandra. This is mine. This is mine, Cassandra. This is mine. I promise you a bite. I promise you a bite soon, Cassandra. I gotta try this first then. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and Cassandra. Whoa. Okay, Sandy, there we go, Cassandra. There we go, Cassandra. And now for her. And now for her sister. And now for her sister. You know that Phil adopted sisters. Sister.